Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in CoinSpot account. So if you also want to log in CoinSpot account, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now type in coinspot.com.au, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of CoinSpot. From here you'll be able to buy, sell and swap cryptocurrency. It is the easiest way to buy Bitcoin and a whole world of other digital currencies. In this interface you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to see the trending coins over here. You'll be able to see the options like home, wallets, buy or sell, swap, bundles, NFT, OTC and markets. And over here you'll be able to find the option for register and login. If you do not have an account, you can click on the option register. After that, you'll be able to create an account for yourself. But if you want to log into an existing account, simply click on the login option that you can see right over here. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the login interface of CoinSpot. From here, you'll be able to log into your CoinSpot account. All you have to do is enter your email and password. Over here, you'll be able to find the options for email and password. Simply enter the credentials. Click on the email box. Now enter your email. After that, what you have to do is enter your password. Click on the password box. Now enter your password. If you want to check your password, you can click on the eye icon that you can see right over here. If you want this browser to remember your email, simply check on the box remember my email. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the option forgot your password. After that, you'll be able to reset it. Now, after you provided your email and password, all you have to do is click on the login option that you can see right over here. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in CoinSpot account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.